Welcome to the ECCE 2022 mobile app introduction video. You may download the ECCE 2022 app from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store by looking for ECCE 2022 in the search bar. Once you find the app with the app icon as shown, you may download the app. Once the app is finished downloading, you may open the app and the first thing that it will ask you is to enter in the username and password. You may allow the app for notifications so that all the calendar invites can be notified on your phone. Enter in the email ID that you are registered with and the password. The default password for all ECCE registrants will be ECCE 2022 all in small. Once you have entered in the app, then it will give you some notifications regarding the app functionality. Just go ahead and accept them all. In the home page, you will see different tiles with different headings. Let's proceed to understand the functionality of each of these tiles. The proceeding tiles lets you download the proceedings or the tutorials or both depending on your registration type. The sponsors and exhibitors tile represents the sponsors and exhibitors that are exhibiting at ECCE 2022 conference. The plenary sessions tile lists all the plenary sessions for the ECCE 2022 conference. You may add them to your schedule by using the Add to Schedule button, or you may also add them to your calendar by using the Add to Calendar option. Once the plenary session is live in Detroit, you may click on the play or join button to enter into the Zoom webinar where the plenary session is happening. In the technical sessions tile, you will see a list of all the technical sessions, which includes all the paper and poster sessions for the ECCE 2022 conference. Now, the ECCE 2022 conference is split into two different parts. The first is the live part, which is happening from 10th of October to 13th of October. The second is the virtual part, which is happening from 17th to 19th of October, which is for all the virtual participants. Now, all the technical sessions are separated by their individual dates. The word live indicates the live sessions that would be happening between 10th to 13th of October. Within each date, the sessions are separated by their individual tracks that allows for an easy navigation to choose a topic of your liking. Within each session, you may add a particular paper into your calendar or your schedule by clicking on the Add to Schedule or Add to the Calendar button. The Add to Schedule button adds a particular paper into your personalized schedule. You may go ahead and view all the papers that you have added to your schedule in the My Schedule tab. Now, coming to the Add to Calendar option, the Add to Calendar option adds that particular paper session in your personalized calendar. In this case, if I add that particular session to my calendar, then the calendar which is currently selected in my iPhone gets chosen by default. Now, the room number corresponding to that session can be found in the description section. The description lists the room number, the authors, and the author's affiliation. Once you are ready, you can click on the Add button in order to add that particular event to your calendar. The play button at the bottom allows you to play the video that the author has submitted for that particular session. If you are interested in all the papers corresponding to a particular session, you may move ahead to the bottom of that session to add all the papers within that session to either your schedule or to your calendar by choosing the All Sessions corresponding to that particular session. This All Sessions option is available within All Sessions that allows you to select all the papers to your calendar for that particular session. If you want to search for a particular keyword, you may also use the search bar at the top that allows you to search for keywords that may be a text within the paper or the paper ID or the session number by itself. The special session tabs list all the special sessions for the ECCE 2022 conference. In terms of the schedule and add to calendar functionality, it remains the same as described for the technical sessions. The tutorials tab lists all the tutorials for the ECCE 2022 conference, and here again the add to schedule and add to calendar functionality remains the same. You may also find a list of all the society meetings in the Society Meetings tab. Another important feature of the app is the chat option. The chat option allows you to find all the people that are currently logged into either the web version or the app version of the ECCE 2022 conference. Once the people are joined in, you may be able to see the list of all the people that are available. You can click on the individual name and start chatting with them. Once the list grows long, you can also search for a particular participant name in the search bar. There is a small survey that can be found within the survey type. The lounge enters into a common chat room which is visible to everyone. You may enter in anything that you may like within the networking lounge chat room that is visible to all the participants that are present within the networking lounge at that point in time. Another important feature of the app is to share contact details without having the need to exchange physical cards. The scan barcode features allows you to scan the barcode of the individuals that are present within the conference. You can find your own individual code under the My Code section. Once you have successfully scanned the QR code of your colleague or a new friend that you just made, you may just go under the menu options, and within the contacts tab you will be able to see the profile of the contact that you just scanned. The information that is visible on the contact card is the information that you have added in your profile under the contact card section. Once the conference is over, you may go ahead and export all the contacts from the export option into a CSV file. I hope this short instruction video helps you to navigate through the ECCE 2022 mobile app with more ease. Thank you for listening and enjoy the ECCE 2022 conference.